Back safe.
But you tell them saying that Jesus' name you go. You know,
Not
conquer
there.
them.
Not there.
Conquer them.
This is our little story and a true thing. Two hearts come together in a mutual win. Keeping it together with a real life. Welcome to the family, this is our life. It's perfect, I'll just set you here for me. You're the sugar to my tea. Meet the Mitchell family.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Oh, you're excited today? You look very nice in your camouflage. Let's go see who's here. Look who's back, look who's back, look who's back. Woo! Welcome home, MoMo.
Thank you.
And look what MoMo brought. Fresh from the tree. And there's more. My favorite. Yes. Star apple. And 2 jackfruit seeds for daddy. Yeah. I just came off of the road and you know this one need to drive a little bit, right? Should I turn on the car? Yes. Okay. Wow. You like that?
Yeah.
No, don't touch your buttons.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, touch this one. Touch this one. Look here, this one here. No, don't push it. Press this button.
Bye-bye.
Bye
Yes. You driving?
bye.
Alright, good. Good boy.
One hell forget him out here now. Pray for me, pray for me. Yeah, it's this thing that I buy called Beetroot toast at Elena's, and I love it. MoMo, this is the same thing you did love the other day. You want a piece of it? The beetroot toast. You want a piece? So this, my friends, is beetroot toast.
It does not look good.
So what it is that it is beetroot, goat cheese, a scotchy honey sauce, and me not so good, you know. I don't know which. I think that's walnuts and dill, and it is life changing. Big up to my friend Jivy that introduced this to me, and since then I think I've had it 1,000 times.
I'm going to take
All right, go on through. It's spicy, okay?
Spicy?
Yeah, take a bite.
Okay, then.
Go for it. I know the toast is a little, because it's been there for a while. Talk about it. What do you think? Talk about it. What? Yes or no?
Not bad, but kind of good.
Not good?
Pretty much like 50 bad, 50 good. I don't know.
So what is it? Would you want another bite or no? See, everybody different. Me love it. MoMo. I'm said 50% good, 50% bad.
Thank you.
Jackson, trouble. His bread and the his
Mine
bread.
drop off.
Yay!
Talk
Oh, this
about
is
it,
mine!
I'm not paying for it, sorry.
No.
Trouble.
Thank you.
But Lord,
Pepper.
pepper.
And then put honey in it, you know. So the honey is what tastes so good with the goat cheese. And then the beetroot. And then the walnuts. And then the dill. It's fabulous. And then on a whole wheat toast. And they bake the bread themselves. Bad. And that whole wheat toast is very good for you. Because they make it, you know.
No,
So they have no
Colombian.
preservatives or nothing in it. Them just...
Me like Colombian. It tastes
Yeah.
like a jam cheese. You know?
It's so good.
And it's juicy.
But it's crunchy.
Nice.
We know good food, people.
Like it.
Jackson is only 7. You've never tasted beetroot yet. Trust
Trouble.
us, it tastes good.
A trouble.
A trouble for true.
Hey, Funko. You never no shirt. Yeah, go with. You think it's beachy hat? Beachy there?
I am scared to go and look at the callaloo right now because yesterday, guys, caterpillars.
Yeah.
Were they caterpillars, Wayne? Worms, pestilence.
Pestilence.
No, it stressed me out. I know I'm scared to go and
It
see.
stressed me out to the point I feel like somebody violate my family them. Like somebody trouble my loved ones.
Wayne, I feel like I feel like the caterpillars watched the vlog and said they have some extra stuff up there. Let's go for it.
Yeah man, them are wicked man.
Should I go check or just wait?
People, farming is not easy. It's not just drop seed in the ground and plant come up and everybody eat and feel happy and merry. There are obstacles in the way. And that's why I understand now how farmers put so much into pesticides and because it don't make no sense you tile over them crops for 3, 4, sometimes 6 months. And then for just see one set of pestilence come nyam them your crops them.
Oh, and by the way, this is not using the rabbit pee. I stopped using the rabbit pee because the smell was making me feel so sick. So I switched to the Dawn that a lot of you recommended. I don't know if it's working, so I'm gonna go check. Let me go check now. Let me just check.
Wanna?
Yeah.
Okay, so far so good, Wayne.
The Dawn make them gone.
There's a one guy here.
Watch you see them there. Over hundreds of them people. Them just take set on the leaf.
But
them.
one is better than what we. No, Ozzy Boozy.
No boozy, no boozy man.
Oh no.
Oh, but the Dawn look like it helped though.
It looked like it worked, Wayne. No Boozy, don't pull it out.
We have to take out how much.
MoMo one
Have to take out
breed
how much
caterpillar
leaf.
on it yesterday. See another one there, but him look like him slow down.
Slow down.
Oh my God, it
Dawn
look like he's
poison
dead.
The Dawn poison them for true man.
We have to get vigilant.
2 week time for them start and look them man.
We were so close.
But I see him so in life, you know, as you reach your goal, you know, some people just want to come take care for your part, you know.
Just box where your foot.
Watch out.
Box, they want
Box,
to come
yeah.
box it, but you're telling saying that Jesus' name, you go, you know,
Not
conquer
there.
them.
Not
Conquer
there.
them.
Conquer them.
Yes.
Wanker
What
them.
one, Mr. Wayne?
But there, you know what
Just
going.
come in and the place in a back.
Yeah. It look good as you, whenever she come back from Lindsay, she always look fresher and younger, you know.
Yes,
Eh?
yellow Paul of the subscriber them.
Yeah.
Watch me, you know.
Definitely. You know, but nobody done a
And
Lindsay
big
there.
up the lady when me see yesterday credit union. And big her up, you know.
MTM family them they are Lindsay,
Everybody
right?
will watch your Lindsay, you know.
I want to see
And
Lonely.
time and patient everywhere, you know.
Yeah. See Lonely think I she alone. People see I know her road.
That's it.
People see we I know it 2 years.
Yes.
When it worked.
It work, people.
Just the Dawn.
It
Look there.
work. Them not enough like yesterday.
No, yesterday they were covered. Covered.
See him devil look like him a move too
Dawn
fast.
with the water. Dawn is like the dishwashing liquid and a little vegetable oil. It work.
Them have to come out.
So
Why?
people, it's not the white
Them have
fly.
to eat, Daddy.
No, them not eat, but don't these drop the seeds? So why we?
In there.
Oh, so it don't drop itself.
No.
Okay.
No problem. It's difficult.
Okay. See, I'm
2
learning.
weeks time now we can cut them and eat them.
That's
And
what
they
Daddy
spring
did
back.
say too. See
Momo,
one
the
even there
little
upon him
agree
now.
with you, no lie. The camera pick you up different. Father God, son, just a shine down by yourself.
Always, she's a blessed woman.
Wow.
Thank you.
Sure. But them now move like how them didn't move yesterday. Watch it.
Unless at evening time them wake up.
When?
Yes.
They move like caterpillar.
Is them eating up the things?
Hello.
Mighty God of His mercy. Coming like at the callaloo alone, them see and take set pan, you know.
But as Andrew was telling me, this is what pestilence love.
That him they say?
Yeah. Yes, Maureen, the string bean them a come up, girl.
See the eggplant, the people. Wowee. I see the eggplant flowers them there, super blossom.
And on the tomato right there, and you can just show them the yellow blossoms on there. Every blossom will be a tomato. Alright, come boys, let's go inside.
Hey, you have to be very attentive. You have to be very attentive with him from the other day in the car. Right now, him language is right between English and baby gibberish. So you have to figure him out, you know. Facial expression and everything. Pointing, hands, gesticulation, everything you have to watch with him. You'll figure him out eventually. But he might talk something though, he might make some words that he can make out for sure. But the way he might go right in front of our eyes, eh? And in front of our eyes. Wow.
Daddy.
Say night night, say bye baby.
Sweet boy. This might just look like us opening a door to you, but for us, this is a problem. Us can now spin the doorknob and open doors. So even a closed door can't stop him now. Problem that for we people. He might close him room door and I say, bye baby, like how mommy said to him.
Daddy.
I was just telling him, Tim. Yes, Punko?
Okay. Somebody mentioned that they noticed that the volume dips and then goes up from scene to scene, and they're like, maybe it's my TV. That part of me wants to say maybe it is, but it's probably not.
Somebody commented that?
Yeah, we are working on the volume situation. We don't use like special mics or anything, you know, guys, and somebody suggested connecting a mic to this, and I was just like, if every time I had to connect a mic to catch a moment, I would lose a moment. So it's a small price we have to pay in this vlog land that we have.
You probably need a new phone. That must sound like a problem I can diagnose.
Ouch.
Like it just sounds like a weird bug that's in your phone.
Wow.
Yeah.
I think we should be vlogging with cameras.
Speaking of phone, I know I'm on my phone. I feel like I get locked up. Like,
you're in a timeout.
Yeah, no, my phone has been locked up, right? So my iPhone lock up, activation lock, right? So I have to be waiting until May the 6th before I get back my phone. My contacts are bare unknown number me I answer.
It's actually a trial on the 6th because you don't know. So you're waiting for your sentencing or trial,
right,
one of the two.
Yeah. I don't know if it's like verdict or what I go read out, or if I have to go wait again.
What's the verdict?
I'm being stressed. I call my bridging at work at the Apple store in America. I say, yo, party, you know, a link or forget to America and I like Jamaica.
Oh gosh. I hope him flap you.
He flapped me.
Yeah, man.
Because I'm in the automated system now. So there's nothing. Them say not even Steve Jobs could have wake up back and switch my scenario around.
They actually said that?
Yeah, pretty much. It's that bad. It's that bad.
I'm sad. Yeah, we'll figure it out. Show them what you've been vlogging on. We got this just in time, so we had gotten this a couple months back
for this same scenario.
Yeah, and we've been using it, so it's not like it's brand new to our vlog, but we use this little camera here, which is great.
It's legit.
What's it called again?
The DJI Pocket.
DJI Pocket. And it's so nifty, and that's what you see us vlogging off of a lot of times, and I figure it's a good transition into like camera life should we ever want to switch to just cameras. Yeah, great. So yeah, anyway, now we are going to do a couple things because we have a meeting this afternoon. So before the meeting, oh, Daddy just pulled up. Pops, him always pull up around lunchtime. So we're going to Fresh Approach to pick up some more noodles and a few little supplies, maybe a couple more bowls, and then I have to order some flowers for a friend. So I'm going to order flowers and do that stuff. What is this man gonna say now? Me say, I bet he's about food. Hi, Dad. No, we're going up, but Daddy, there's some apples in there. There's some apples in there. There are apples and star apples if you want some, and Momo have a surprise for you. Momo bringing back 2 jackfruit seed.
Jackfruit seed alone?
Yeah.
For a plant?
Yeah. So I mean, unless you want it for putting a I joke, come up with that.
That's not fair. That's not fair. Anyway, you know say can do things with jackfruit seed, Bobo head.
But what would he do with 2 jackfruit seed, Wayne? What would you do with 2 jackfruit? I'm gonna stop. Fucking Mark. Hello? It does this thing where like it doesn't have any, what's it called again? Volume in the beginning, and then oh my god! And I was recording things and I'm just like, why is the volume so low?
All the time I'm like, do I have my finger here or something?
You see, it's not me one. Naomi, I'm so glad.
It's a real thing.
Like when you get a bite apple, now when the bite apple, and then you get a full apple.
You see, he thinks he's funny.
But people are gonna laugh.
I know, but we're here to show you that in real life he's not funny.
No, like when you get a worm apple.
Still not funny.
Wow.
Kind of jokes are too.
Big up the PR chick. Alright guys, so we just finished our meeting. A very good meeting. There's been putting on the seatbelt.
Just drive out people.
I just love the way MTM have him on the manners. So right now, you know, Wayne has been having issues with his phone, really because he couldn't get back into his cloud. So we're going to Apple Kings now to get a loaner phone. He has a loaner phone right now, but it's a Samsung and he's not managing, guys. So I don't know if you're team Samsung or team iPhone down below. You can let us know in the comments. We're team iPhone. God bless Samsung users. We think you have a great phone there. We just don't use it very well. Yeah, we're
Apple Kings.
We are Apple Kings and Queens. So we're heading there now for a loaner, and so that Wayne can re-enter his TikTok life.
Yeah, and vlogging life and all kind of life. Be something. And flying drone life, and it's a lot. It's a one long list of things. Could have fit power them back in the day tablet.
I can hear all of the Samsung users cussing us in the comments right now.
No,
Apple
world.
Defend us.
It's an Apple world.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh God, tell everybody. Oh my. I don't have a Dane, guys. They're going into the car. Oh no. He just said what a best friend.
You know the cash I don't have not even $1,000.
I don't have anything.
Not even a dollar. Man, sample man. Please just give me a run now.
Please. Oh God, sir. Thank you.
Yes, party. I'm the Apple Kings. Alright. Alright. Blessed. Nice jacks. What you say, Dean?
I'm going to a yoga class.
Yoga class.
Yeah. First one I've been to since before the pandemic. I'm going to do that.
So
Get my mind right.
Me for do the edit then.
You know, I would like for you, I set up as much as I could. I would love for you to do a quick edit. I'll come back and just make it nice for the people them.
Yeah.
But it's on you, babe.
You hear that, people? I'm tasked with editing duties today. So you know, say, my money gone up.
What?
You have money to pay me?
Yes, sir.
My money gone up.